Hello, good morning everybody. Today I am taking a topic of class 10th. It can be even of NCERT syllabus you can say, or ICSE syllabus. For both it is the common topic, that is arithmetic progression. In short form we also call it AP, right? AP, arithmetic progression. Now, what is actually arithmetic progression? It is just a series of numbers in which if you take any number as first number, say I take 1, right? Now, adding a common difference will lead me to the next series of numbers, right? Assume I just want that the first number is 1 and then difference should be 2, right? So that is, difference is actually denoted here by D word, right? So 1 plus 2 gives me 3, then 3 plus 2 gives me 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on, right? It can be a long list of numbers in which the difference is basically the same difference. 3 minus 1 gives you 2, 5 minus 3 gives you 2, 7 minus 5 gives you 2. That means it's a series of numbers in which just leaving the first number, the rest other numbers will have the common difference, which is denoted by D. So how do we actually calculate the specific number? Say we want which is the 15th number in the series, 15th item I mean to say, right? Not the number should be 15. Presently I am talking about the 15th item. That is, now here I'll make out the formula, how we do it. That is AN. N can be any number. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. This is the formula for calculating any number in that series, right? Like we want the 15th number here in this series, which shall be the 15th number, right? Now I will use N as 15. I'll show you. A15 is equal to, that means we will just be writing A15 is equal to, A is here 1. A stands for the first item. So I'll just write the denotions in the corner that A is the first number, right? So the first number which will be written, or the first term also you can say, it is A. And then 1 is your A plus N minus 1. Here N we are taking is 15. So 15 minus 1. And D is what? 2. So D stands for common difference. D stands for common difference, right? So when we try to calculate this value, actually A15 is equal to 1 plus 15 minus 1 gives you 14 and 14 into 2. So applying BODMAS first. So 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 1 gives you 29. That means the 15th number in this series will come out to be 29. Now I'm just taking the vice versa thing, that if I was given that, I'm not taking 15th item, I'm taking say around 20th item, right? Now I am trying to do that in the question, say A20 is given. If you just take out that 15 is 29, right? So 16 shall be 31, 17 shall be 33, 18 shall be 35, 19 shall be 37 and then 39. That means A20 shall be 39. I'm just framing a question for you, that if A20 is given as 39, then it says find N. Now what is N here? That means on which number will it come? We know that it is A20, right? It says AN is equal to 39. I have shown you that how it will come. You know that A20 will be 39, but it says AN is equal to 39. Now you do the working. Now what you have to do is, you just have to apply the same formula. Just change the proportionality. That means you just have to write AN is equal to, that is the formula, A plus N minus 1 D. Just take N as N. You don't know what is N number, but you know that the value of AN is 39 and A is 1 again in the series. N minus 1, just leave it like this, and D was 2 for you. So you just put the value of D, that is 2. So taking here 39 minus 1 gives you 38, and there it will be 2 2 multiplied by n, 2n minus 2 ones are 2. Now adding 2n here gives you 40 is equal to 2n. So n is equal to 40 upon 2, that is 20. So it gives you n is equal to 20, which you previously knew. But still, how to calculate the formula is same. Just you have to put the things which are given in the question or the information which is available, just manipulate that with the same formula. Right? So now this can be used for the questions like if it says that you have to check whether a specific series of numbers is given and you have to show that is it in AP or not. Right? For that, what you will have to do is you just calculate the D first. That is, you can do A2 minus A1, right? Whatever D you get, check out A3 minus A2. Is it giving you the same D? If it is giving you the same D throughout, that means it is in AP. So the quickest formula is that you can just check out that A2 minus A1 and then A3 minus A2. Is it equal? If first 3 or 4, just you check out them, then you find that D is same. That means this series is in AP. And if this difference, that is, this is say D1 and this is D2. If D1 is equal to D2, then yes, it is an AP. But if D1 is not equal to D2, then it is not in AP, right? So this gives you how to check that a series is in arithmetic progression or not. I hope it is clear. Now I'll be moving to the next type of questions in which you are given two specific numbers, right? Like here it was only that an is given, right? Now there will be two such values, but the common difference shall be missing. This is the second type of question. The first which I did, that was type 1, you can say. And now the type 2 questions is when there are two certain numbers. For example, we can take that there is first number is given, like it says the sum of fifth number, that is A5, and the sum of ninth number, that is A9 of an AP is 30. It's just a question. I'm just taking that the sum of the fifth number in the series and the ninth number in the series, if you total them out, it gives you number 30. And then it says if 25th term, like A25, is 3 times the 8th number, that means A8, and the 3 times of A8 gives you the 25th term. Now you have to find out the AP as a whole. Now you have two equations which you have got here, right? Now we will be manipulating the information accordingly. Now opening up A5 formula, what will be the formula? That is A plus n minus 1 D. This is A5, right? So here n will be what? It will be 5, right? D we don't know and A also we don't know presently, right? And then I am opening for A9. Now if I open for A9, what will happen is A plus n minus 1 D, and here A again I don't know, and n is 9 minus 1 D. So A plus 8D, and from here it comes out as A plus 4D. So if it says we total out these two, that is, this is the first one, this is the second one, and now if we total it out, the A plus 4D plus A plus 8D gives you 30, right? This comes out. So A plus A becomes is 2A, and 8 and 4 comes 12D is equal to 30, right? This is the equation which we get from here. Now if we want to take common, we can do that also. But first what we'll be doing is we will be opening the second equation also, because we have two situations given. This was the first situation which I've opened, right? That means I've just opened this one part, that A5 and A9 gives you 30. Now I am taking that A25 is equal to 3A8. So A25, what will be the formula? A25 is equal to A plus 25 minus 1, I'm writing it simply 24D, right? And this is equal to 3 times of A8. Now A8 will be what? A plus 7D, right? So this is the second equation which I have opened. So it gives me A plus 24D is equal to 3A plus 7 3s are 21D, right? Now again, shifting the numbers here and there, I will get a calculation like this. 3A minus A gives you 2A and 24 minus 21 gives you 3D, right? So 3D is equal to 2A, and from here also if I want to reduce, as I told you that I can take 2 common from here also and from here also. What will come out is A plus 6D is equal to 15. So the equation which I have to use is, the first one is A plus 6D is equal to 15, and the second one which I can use is 3D is equal to 2A. Now what I can do is, either I can shift, just keep D here and move 3 there, or otherwise if I want to calculate the value of A, then I can do reciprocal, right? Now I'll calculate D is equal to 2A upon 3. That means I'm calculating D in terms of 2A. Now just put this value in equation above, right? That is A plus 6D, which I already had. Now A plus 6 and D value I will be putting is 2A upon 3, and it will be equal to 15. Now I'll just solve it out. A 3 2s are 6, A plus 2 2s are 4, D is equal to 15, right? Sorry, A plus 4A. So 5A is equal to 15. So therefore A is equal to 3. So I get out that the arithmetic progression will have the first number as 3, right? And then the common difference is what? 2A upon 3. Now solving it, it has told me that you have to calculate the equations and you have to do the further part. So what I will do is, I have got D is equal to 2 upon 3A. I'll just solve it out. D is equal to 2 upon 3 and value of A is 3, right? So D comes is 2. Now just add up 2 with 3 gives you 5. Then add up 2 with 5 gives you 7, 9 and so on. So the resultant is that this is your arithmetic series for this specific question. Thank you for watching.